Hello fellow designers. Today, in this tutorial video, we're going to walk you through the process of exporting elements from Figma. Let's dive right in. Firstly, open up the Figma file containing the design you want to export. Once you're in, take a moment to identify the specific element you wish to export. For the sake of demonstration, let's say we want to export this donut graphic. To begin the export process, simply select the desired element. In our case, we'll click on the donut graphic to highlight it. Now, direct your attention to the right-hand side of the Figma interface. Scroll down until you locate the Export option. Give it a click, and voila! You'll be presented with a set of export settings. At this stage, you'll notice that PNG is typically the default format. However, if you prefer a different file, simply select your preferred format from the drop-down menu. Now, let's ensure we're exporting exactly what we intend to. To do this, activate the Preview option. This nifty feature allows you to see a visual representation of the element you've selected for export. Once you're satisfied with your settings and preview, go ahead and hit the Export button. And just like that, your chosen element will be exported in the format of your choosing. To import a full frame in Figma, start by selecting the frame you wish to import. Once selected, you'll find the export options conveniently located. If you want to preview the frame before exporting, simply click on the Preview option. Now, let's say you want to save the frame in JPEG mode. Just select JPG from the Format options, and proceed to export it. But what if you want to export multiple frames? No problem. You can select all of them by clicking on one frame, then holding down the Shift key while clicking on the other frames you wish to include. This will allow you to select multiple frames simultaneously. Once you've selected all the frames you want to export, you can download them together by clicking on the Export 3 layers, or however many layers you've selected, option. This will initiate the export process for all the selected frames. Now, let's check how they've been exported. Navigate to the Downloads option, where you should find a zip file containing your exported frames. Extract the zip file, and voila! You'll now have all your frames saved individually. And there you have it. You've successfully imported a full frame and exported multiple frames in Figma. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to our channel for more tips and tutorials.